Want to fix the NFL Sunday Ticket app crashing on your device? Here's how to do it. First of all, you want to force close the app. For that, you want to exit out of the Sunday Ticket app. Now, on iPhone, you want to swipe up from the bottom and clear it out. On Android, open the app switcher and swipe Sunday Ticket off of your screen. Then you again want to launch open the Sunday Ticket app and check if your problem is fixed. Next thing you want to do is restart your device. For that, either tap on the restart option or tap on power off. After some time, you again want to switch on your phone, open the app and check if your problem is fixed. Next, you want to tap and hold on the Sunday Ticket app, then tap on this I button, which will take you to the settings. On your settings, tap on the storage option. Now tap on clear cache. Once that is done, check if your problem is fixed. If not, then you want to clear the data as well. For that, tap on clear data, then tap on the delete option. This will delete all of the application's data. Now launch open the app, log into your account and check if your problem is fixed. If not, you want to update the application to the latest version. For that, open up Play Store, then search for Sunday Ticket, then tap on the update option. After you update the app, any bugs in the application will be fixed, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.